Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to get your Binance TRC20 address. First, ensure you are logged into your Binance account. Once logged in, locate and click on the wallet option, usually found in the top navigation bar. From the drop-down menu, select Fiat and Spot to access your main asset overview. This is where you'll manage your cryptocurrency deposits and withdrawals. It's a straightforward process to begin. After selecting Fiat and Spot, you'll see a list of your cryptocurrencies. Use the search bar to quickly find TRX, which stands for Tron. Once you locate Tron, click on the deposit button associated with it. This action will open a new window where you can specify the deposit details. It's crucial to select the correct network for your transaction to proceed smoothly and avoid any issues. Now, verify that TRC20 is indeed the chosen network. You will then see your unique TRC20 deposit address clearly displayed on the screen. This is the address you need to provide to send Tron-based tokens to your Binance account. Always double-check the address before copying it to ensure accuracy. A small mistake here could lead to lost funds, so take your time and be precise. Before finalizing any transaction, always confirm that the network you selected on Binance matches the network of your sending platform. Sending TRC20 tokens to a non-TRC20 address, or vice versa, can result in permanent loss of your funds. Only send TRC20 compatible tokens to this specific address. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is key, just like securing your crypto transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.